Hi guys, this is Hans again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something interesting. So you may be wondering how banks decide to whether approve or decline your application for maybe credit card or loan application. I actually used to ask that same question until I worked in a BPO company and handled financial campaigns. So, what we're going to talk about today is about credit report. What are the three credit bureaus in the Philippines and how you can get access to your credit report. So stay tuned. What is a credit report? A credit report is a detailed breakdown or summary of your credit history prepared by a credit bureau. Credit bureaus collect financial information about you and compile their reports based on that information. Lenders use the reports along with other data to determine your credit worthiness. Credit worthiness is a measure of how likely you will default on your debt obligations according to a lender's assessment, or how worthy you are to receive a new credit. So yun guys, it's a summary of your credit history and payment history, not limited from physical and digital banks, credit card companies, insurance companies. It could be telecommunication companies like mga postpaid natin, yung mga internet natin, yung mga loan apps na sobrang sikat sa Pilipinas na every time I check my Facebook feed, merong pag nag-post yung isang loan app, laging may nagla-like, nag-comment, and nag-inquire about the loan. However, one good thing is that only local accounts are reflected in the credit report. So right now, let's talk about what are the credit bureaus in the Philippines kung saan yung mga lenders nagre-report ng financial information mo. First in our list is CIBI Information Incorporated. This is the Philippines' first and only local credit bureau. CIBI was founded in 1982. Next is CRIF Philippines, formerly known as CRIF DB Philippines Incorporated and was founded in 1998. And finally, Transunion Philippines started in 2011 in the Philippines by 5 major banks, which are BPI, BDO, Metrobank, Citibank, and HSBC. Now that we know what a credit report is and what are the 3 credit bureaus in the Philippines, this leads to a question: how can you get a copy of your own credit report? Well, Transunion Philippines and CIBI partnered with Lista app so that you can easily access and conveniently request for your credit history. Here's how. First, download the Lista app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Next, register for an account. Tap your credit score on the home screen. Tap Request Now, then read the terms and conditions of use and the privacy policy. Tick the box, tap Proceed. On the Know Your Credit Score page, enter your personal information and ID details. Then, tap Submit. If you're requesting a CIBI credit report, then you can pay 199 pesos. As for TransUnion, it's 349. Upload your valid ID and supply all the information required. Tap Confirm Details to proceed with the liveliness check. When you finish the liveliness check, tap Check My Credit Score to submit your request. The example that I have is my Transunion credit report that I requested on November 11th. So yun guys, ang laki ng tulong niya because it answered all the questions that I have as to why I get rejected by Metrobank, by BDO, by East West, and other banks out there. It doesn't mean that I have 4 credit cards, madali na lang sa akin. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. And something happened in my credit report that I guess made them decline my request or my application. And I'm going to talk more about that. I'm going to do a separate video, and so that we can learn together on how to read some terminologies in the credit report. So I'm gonna point out as well, ano yung possible reason as to why those banks decided to decline my application. Kasi guys, marami namang factor yun eh. Credit report is, like what I mentioned, summary lang siya ng financial information or credit history mo and payment history. So banks also use other data along with it to decide or to get into a decision whether to approve you for a credit line or not, or to approve you for a loan. So yun, I'm gonna point out the specific things that you need to know or you need to check when you have the report. Aside from the credit score, there are certain things that you have to check as well, and I'm gonna discuss that in details on the video that I'm gonna create about credit report. So watch out for it, guys. So guys, pahabol na tanong. What's in it for you to know your credit score? Well, for me, it is very important because it affects your ability to borrow money from the bank. Secondly, it serves as the basis of your credit score. And with that being said, lenders use it to make lending decisions or assess your credit worthiness. And lastly, it helps spot credit fraud. So yung mga account na hindi mo alam na under sa name mo pala. So you can find a dispute with the credit bureaus. So guys, if you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment. I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. It may be technical or just a simple question about anything about that I just talked about in this video. And of course, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.